Walking around downtown LA. I'm at the corner of Exposition Boulevard and Figeroa Street. Right across me is USC, California. So going down the street, going down to Figeroa corridor, where on your right, as you walk further down, you'll come across California Science Center, the Natural History Museum, the BMO Museum, right? The LA Exposition Field. Parking is hard to find here, except for if you come at the corner of Figeroa and 37th. There's some street parking for our max. Then there's also the Howie Street parking. But as we continue to walk down Figeroa Street, we'll see some interesting things here. Heart House. There's a Heart House in Burnaby, which is a fine dining establishment. Here, Heart House is Kevin Hart's Chicken. So, I don't think they're open yet. Yeah, but at Heart House, they have Cold Stone ice cream. To your right, you can barely see that. That's the United Airlines field. It's a plane right there. It's a Chipotle to my left. Then there's Chick-fil-A. Right here. And yeah, you can see there's an airplane there parked. That's the United Airlines field. Chick-fil-A is always full. Always good though. Then there's just no place to park at all, especially if coming from watching a game or coming from the Science Center. Oh, there's lots more paid parking spots here. Right, much better. You can go here. Okay, next time. So much better if you turn right at 38th Street, and you can see a lot more paid parking. And that's it. Just our short video walking tour of Figeroa Street in downtown LA.